Hi everyone, it's Miss Pittman. I am just going to show you how to set up an e-wallet for the book fair that is next week. This is the book fair webpage that I created for everyone. It just says we're having a book fair, Wilson Hill Elementary School. Book fair dates October 17th through October 20th. The book fair does run the same week as parent-teacher conferences next week. If you scroll down, you'll see where it says right here underneath before the fair, set up ewallet, a safe, cash-free way for your child to shop the fair by Thursday, October 20th. So you're going to click on get started. If you don't set up your e-wallet this week, it's totally fine. Your kiddos will be coming to shop the book fair during their library classes next week. I've had parents call me and be like, oh my gosh, I forgot to set up my kid's e-wallet. Can I do it really quick? And of course, it doesn't take very long for it to go in effect. So, so if you forget, like, it's not a big deal. Just call me, let me know, or send me an email. And, I can, if your kids have, library class at like 7:55 in the morning, and you put money in there, and I can always, get them to come back in that day or whatever. We'll figure it out. So it's not a big deal. Trust me, I've done it. So I get it 100%. So I do have some e-wallets that are already set up already. Some parents have already done that, which is fantastic. So let's get to it. All right, we're gonna get started. We're gonna create e-wallet. If you don't have a Scholastic account, basically you're going to register. It's like first name, last name, and an email address. That's pretty much it. So I already have a Scholastic account, and it doesn't mean just for like book fair, but if you've ever ordered anything from Scholastic, then you'll have a login. So go ahead and press continue. Sorry, that's CAS. Nothing bad's happening. It's just CAS. They're just kind of running in and out from outside, just getting drinks and stuff and going to the bathroom. Okay, so this is where you're going to enter your kiddos' names here. So if you have multiple kids, then you're just going to enter, a few different e-wallets for them. So they can each have their own e-wallet. It's pretty fun because they come in and they just, get to shop and pick their own stuff out. They love it. So, and you don't have to worry about cash or, sending in a card or anything like that. Yes, parents have sent in cards. It's happened. All right. So this is, we're going to enter your kiddo's name. And this is where you're going to enter your kiddo's teacher's name. So if you don't know their first name, it's totally fine. So a lot of people just do, this. I'm going to do Mr. Smith here, and then choose the grade. And then you're going to click Create eWallet. This is something that's kind of cool. You can fund it with credit card, which is what most of us will do. But this is really cool too. You can invite others to fund. So like if you want to share it out with family members or something like that, you can share the link and then they can actually add funds to it. Which is kind of cool. So you can share it across like social media or something like that. And someone else can add funds to the e-wallet, which is something kind of new that they've added, which is pretty cool. So most of us obviously are going to just enter payment here. And it's got the teacher grade, and then you're going to enter whatever amount you want. I mean, obviously it's up to you and your families as to whatever you want to put for your kiddo to shop with. Your credit card information, and then phone number. And then what this is saying here is you're going to click this box, and any amount that you put in here is saying that it's non-refundable. So if your kiddo, if you put in, $30 and your kid spends $28, basically that $2 is going to stay in Scholastic dollars, and you're not going to get the $2 in cash back. But what does happen, so if they do have $2 left over. That $2 will then carry forward into the book fair that we're having in February. So it's not like you're going to lose that money. It just moves, it carries forward, it carries over into the next book fair. So that's nice. So you'll check the box, confirm payment, and then that money is in there for them ready for next week at the book fair. Okay? So that's simple, that's it. I'm just going to go back here to the main page here. That's creating the e-wallet. Yeah. So that's it. That's how you do a e-wallet. And what I do is I always check before the kids come, and even during while they're here, to make sure that I got everybody. I look up in the register. I can look up who has e-wallets in each homeroom, and then I let the kiddos know how much money they have. And obviously, the volunteers and I work with the kids to, figure out what they have and what to buy, figuring out how much money they have to spend. So if you have any questions, that's what I want to show you. If you have any questions, at the bottom of the book fair webpage is if you click on this, it'll show you my email. You can always call me at school, and I'd be more than happy to help you figure out anything if you have any questions. Okay, thank you.